Say something.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Hey, Iqbal.
Hi everyone, I'm Iqbal.
Say some Filipino words. The
Magandang
curse words.
umaga.
The curse words.
Si Iqbal. Magininam.
Hoy!
So for today's episode,
No, I know it's from your girlfriend because it's the dialect of your girlfriend.
may-interview ako, diba? Ang ingay niya. So for today's vlog, for today's episode, is magkakaroon kami ng traditional dancing and sign language. This is my good friend, si.
Asarama po.
Such a very good friend.
Oh my God! Hi! She's so cute! Baby, ang cute! Oh my gosh!
You know bite?
Ah, sige, mag-video ko.
Video mo yun, video yun. Nakain ng marshmallow. Ano naman yung naglag-glide.
Ano siya?
Ano nangyayari? Do you need water? Hindi ko dali.
It's moving. It is breathing! Oh my God!
Positive na ka dyan, te. Yun yung lalapatan ako mo.
Take a picture of me.
O, di.
Uy, ate! Sorry. Sorry, baby.
Ako binamute.
Ako, Bin.
Nagdala ko sa abro.
Di magtitinda ka ba dito?
Talaga siya na may halal para madala. Buti ka nga may
Wow.
Oh. Yan, nagot kayo.
Hello. Don't be afraid to follow your dream. From my
Kaslo.
Gawa tayong GC. Gawa tayong GC, di ba?
So like a GC.
Like a GC.
Ikaw daw.
At the souvenir shop.
Uh-huh.
We're going to buy you something.
Would you mind?
Hello.
Hello.
This is my very beautiful daughter.
It's my very beautiful mother. Nasa sinehan kami. It's a beautiful Sunday. I had to see this in the cinemas. And most especially na nandito kami sa Indonesia.
Wake me up and say that.
Hi, this is Jin sweeping the floor.
Because I have guests.
This is me and Chia.
They can't
It's
see us.
quite.
Yes.
Just don't do it.
Monday. I will go with you guys and then.
Cute.
Either
Yeah.
the 9 or the blue.
Sorry.
It's your 10.
So like you have to say skip. This is
You're the one of this. You're the one of this.
not yet got my eyes. Probably I will. Spicy.
You told them tayo?
Hi, today we're going to Jalan Tunjungan. The bus is coming.
Oh, the bus is coming! It's gonna be my first time riding the bus in Indonesia. So
So, nasawa na kami sa Pakuan Mall.
Pakuan mo.
Pakuan Mall. So,
Been there a couple of times now.
yeah, so we took the bus as well. The transport here is very, very cheap. 2,000 rupiah for
Yeah.
43 minutes duration trip.
Ada kalau gitu di sini malah kamu, YM.
Jadi harus mencukupkan semua lagi menjadi.
Is your love outing? Is your love? I really need to learn. Far I'll go,
I take every trail.
I track every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know. The wings sail on the sea stays behind me. And no one knows how far it goes. No,
We're falling, Titanic is falling.
It's an order. Yeah, oh my god.
Yeah, Puto Bumbong. Students will stay flat.
Yes.
This one is Kalapon.
Hey.
Oh!
Puto.
Si Doc Marvin nga, ganyan ninyo.
Tapos na po.
Tapos
na. Hindi kita sa vlog.
Jean, where's the home?
Yung mga gawin.
To the
Wait.
Buksan na yan.
Pwede ka bang buksan? Wag na, ang damot mo. Na-choker siya ngayon.
Your universe.
Yeah,
Your universe.
Your universe.
Game.
Okay.
Okay. Ano yan? Bili ni Lloyd? Ni Dewey? Thanks, Dewey.
Wala pa naman pala.
Picture ako nga sa
Yari sila sa akin.
Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You're my kind of one who's precious. Say it's breaking to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank the stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. One more chance to make love to you. You come back to me.
Kayo, ano di pinagkaganyan?
Can somebody tell me how to get things that the way? When you hold me.
Hey, lovebirds. So cute.
The way he calls us.
Please remember me. I will appear in your dream. If you cry, if you're sad, please watch this video. You can laugh, you can do whatever you want, but don't be sad, don't cry, okay?
Tanpa henti, dan dia pun kini telah pergi. Ku berdoa di tengah indah dunia. Ku berdoa untuk dia yang ku rindukan. Memohon untuk tetap tinggal, dan jangan engkau pergi lagi. Berselimut di tengah dingin dunia, berselimut dengan dia yang ku rindukan. Would it be nice to hold you? Would it be nice to take you home? Would it be nice to kiss you? Memohon untuk tetap tinggal, dan jangan engkau pergi lagi.